In the previous video, we have seen about simple linear regression, and now we are going to study about the multilinear regression. So we will use this regression with multiple variables here, and you can see in this expression, price is calculated. That means price is actually the dependent variable. Whereas area, bedroom, bathroom, and balcony, these four are actually independent variables. And these M1, M2, M3, M4 are the coefficients. Independent variable can be also called features. And this is how actually multiple regression occurs, because we have multiple independent features that is depending on price, that actually sums up to price. And this equation can be reduced in the form of y equals to m1x1 plus m2x2 plus m3x3 plus b. So it is having area, bedroom, bathroom, balcony, and this is the last that can be said as an intercept which is generated. So now let us execute a few things of multiple linear regression also. And firstly, I'm going to show you the data set which we are using. So this is the data set which we are using, having area, bedroom, bathroom, balcony, and price. And I have left some columns also. We will see that in query, that how can we operate on them. So starting with firstly, we have imported a few libraries. And next we have used the .read CSV method to read the CSV file which we have uploaded here. So this is the CSV file having area, bedroom, bathroom, balcony, and price respectively, and there are 8 records. Nan represent not a number. That means here we have not inserted anything, so we need to insert a few values first. So what we are doing is, firstly we are calculating the median of the column bathroom, and then we are filling it. So we calculate the median by simply writing .median method. So this is the median, and next we are going to fill this. And while we are discussing about missing values, we have studied about a function .fillNA, and this function helps us to fill the missing values in the columns. So this 2 will be filled in the missing values which are there of the bathroom first. Here you can see that missing values have replaced. We have still 2 columns left, that is bedroom and balcony. So here you can see that we have done that also. So this reduces all the missing value columns of bedroom, and similarly for the balcony also. Next what we have done is, we have dropped the price column, and now our data frame only represent X is only having these values. That means area, bedroom, bathroom, and balcony. And here you can see that we have print those series also. Here you can see area, bedroom, bathroom, and balcony, and lastly it is having price. Next we have used here the linear model.linear regression which we have imported from the sklearn library, and we have fit, that means trained the data of the X and Y set to the model. And lastly what we have done, you can use this method also, but as for now we have a small set of data. Otherwise what we prefer is splitting the data and then implementing the train set. So you can execute this also if you have a large set of data. Here you can give the test side and the random state also. Now we can generate the coefficient also. So you have to simply write reg.coefficient is generated of all the 4 columns which is there. Similarly we can generate the intercept also. This is the intercept value, and here you can see that it is predicting. So in predict we have to give the values for all the 4 columns, that is the area, bedroom, bathroom, and the balcony. And with respect to that, our model will give us the predicted set of price which is to be given. So if I give this value, then it predicts me a value of price which could comprise of this set of data which I have given. So this is all about multiple linear regression, and for more examples of it we will look into upcoming videos.